Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have for you, as you can see from the title, another Home Bargains haul. And I have bought some necessities, as usual. I just find going there is a bit cheaper than doing the shop for like big stuff like, detergents and all of that. Anyway. So the first thing that's pretty boring is I bought this load of toilet rolls, $3.99, and I've been buying those quite a lot actually because $3.99 is pretty good for Andrex. Next up, I bought these Smith's variety again. We really enjoyed these, and I think we just prefer this style of crisp. And they were $2.99, so you get like a ton of crisps for $2.99. For my lunches and for quick lunches at work, I bought these. So you know how much I like the Coca noodles. They've got them in a cup, and I thought that was really good. So I bought these. I had one today, and it was yummy. I bought 4 altogether, and I think they were 69p. It might have been cheaper than that actually, which is actually more expensive than the noodles on their own because they're 27p. But just for ease, they were really good. Bought some kitchen foil. Just needed some. That was on the list. I bought a new body puff because my ones always unravel. Claire's don't, mine do. I don't know what I do differently, but they always do. I bought some body form sanitary towels. They say £1.49 on them, but they were 89p each, which is really good actually. £1.49 isn't massively expensive, but if you know period poverty is a thing, so 89p is quite good. For £2 and I want to say £2.65, I got the double pack of the Johnson's Makeup Be Gone 5-in-1 refreshing cleansing wipes. These are the normal skin, and they're just so good. These are the best wipes for taking off eye makeup. Now, I don't always use wipes. I usually use a cleansing anyway, but I feel like this really gets the eye makeup off. So, and they're just so gentle and nice. I bought, as a treat for me and Claire, a couple of deep moisturising foot packs. We had the, sorry about that, Rupert had a little barking fit. So bought the foot packs because we tried the, which one did we have? Shea butter, I think it was, something like that. This one is the almond and honey one because they didn't have that one again, so I thought I'd give those a go. These are so good for my feet. I just love how they feel, and it's just a little treat for us to just relax on a Sunday morning, watching our favourite programmes and having a little bit of a pamper session. What else did I buy? I got a tinted lip balm. I've been looking for a tinted lip balm. And I just thought this might be quite nice because I prefer to wear a tinted lip balm for work, and my lips are really drying out with the one that I have from Next. So I'm going to give this one a go. It's the Carmex Moisture Plus Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. We'll see how we get with that one. I got some deodorant for Claire. This is the Shore Bright Bouquet. She said, just get me anything. So I just checked all the smells out. And this one smelled really nice, so I thought I'd try that one out for her. I bought some, and I can really smell them. I bought these Comfort Intense tumble dryer sheets. We just ran out, and these are so strong. I love these. These are so good. Oh, they smell lovely. I was using the Tesco ones, but these are amazing. I wanted to try this out. I've not tried it out before. This is the Ace for whites, and I've seen a lot of people talking about this and saying it's really good. So add your detergent as usual, pour Ace into the drawer marked with the CL symbol up to the level guideline. Okay, so it can go into the softener part if you're not using softener. I'll have to have a think about that. But essentially it is a bleach product. So I just thought, we've got a few white t-shirts. I thought it'd be really good to put it on that. I don't know if you can actually put it in with anything that isn't white solely. So like we've got a lot of black and white striped stuff. Let me know. I probably won't use it on anything other than white. We'll see. I'll give you an update on that as well. And then equally, I bought this tub of Wiz Oxy Powder fabric stain remover. I had a smaller version of this. It was from Poundland, and it was the Astonish one, which worked okay. But this one I wanted to give a go. It was bigger and it was cheaper. So this was £1.40, I want to say, £1.49, something like that, for a bigger tub. And I just find it's just a little bit better when you're trying to get some stubborn stains off, especially with the lighter coloured clothing. And then the last two things I bought was the Nivea Caring Shower Cream. It's a really, really big bottle. This is a 750ml bottle. We used this last, and I think this is the one that we've really enjoyed so far. We prefer the sort of creamy ones to the gel ones. So anything that's got a lot of like moisturiser in it is really good. I really like Dove, but they didn't have one that was as inexpensive as that and as big, so I thought I'd go for that. And then the final thing, which was £1.99, is this huge bottle of Fairy. We've literally just run out of some washing up liquid, and it's taken us a lot actually to run out of that. But what I might do, the washing up liquid that I use is, or was, this Method bottle. So I might actually put this into this bottle because I quite like the dispenser of this one. Yeah, it's finished, so I'll probably do that. So that is the final product, and that's my incredibly boring Home Bargains haul. But I love to see them. I love to see what people are getting. I love to see what's new, if there's anything new. I believe these Coca noodles are new. I've not seen those before. So if you've got any questions, or if there's anything that you can recommend that I've not purchased in my last Home Bargains hauls, then let me know. I look forward to hearing your comments, seeing your comments. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe. I can never say it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.